Imagine this, in just 24 hours, the United States and Israel struck over 1,000 targets inside Iran. Something that used to take weeks now happens in a single day. The secret weapon? An AI system called Maven that decides who lives and who dies. Welcome to the world's first AI war. I'm Checo Tech, and today we're breaking down exactly how technology is supercharging the 2026 Iran conflict. Stick around, you're about to see why this changes warfare forever. On February 28, 2026, the US and Israel launched Operation Epic Fury. In the opening strikes, they took out Supreme Leader Khamenei himself. But the real story isn't the missiles, it's the AI running the show. Enter Palantir's Maven Smart System. It fuses satellite imagery, drone footage, radar data, and signals intelligence into one interface. The AI classifies targets, recommends weapons, and builds entire strike packages in seconds. Here's what Maven is actually doing right now. Over 11,000 targets hit since the war began. 1,000 plus strikes in the first 24 hours. Only 10% of the human analysts normally needed. But here's the dark side, Maven's accuracy sits at around 60%. Human analysts hit 84%. That gap has already led to tragedy. A girls' school in Minab was on the AI target list. 168 children killed. The Pentagon is now investigating whether Maven played a role. Iran knows this. That's why on April 1st the IRGC published a hit list of 18 U.S. tech companies: Apple, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Palantir, Tesla, Boeing.